Hello everyone, welcome to the Tools Pack Academy. Let's understand how to install the Anaconda Navigator. So Anaconda, write down in the Google page, Anaconda Navigator, select this. So here we have this download now, click on it and you will get the option. Let's scroll down and check. Yes, so click on get started. I think that's the option. So get started. And then you have to sign in with your email ID. So it's okay, click on this and then you have to just click on continue. Wait for some time, the window will be open up. Yes, now here we can see we have this Anaconda distribution. So you have to install this as per your window configuration. So if it is Windows, Mac or Linux, accordingly you have to install this. So for the window, we will click on that and then you can see the install extension is about to ready. So just wait for some time, let it get completed. So just wait for some time, okay? Yeah, it's completed. Now open this folder and here you can see, click on it and then yeah, wait. So here we are verifying, okay, it's done. Now click on next, agree, then just me, and then yeah, install. So just select the last option also. Okay, so just click on that install by selecting this. So select and install it. Okay, so it's getting ready. Yeah, we are done. Click on the next and finish. Yes, we are done with this. Okay, now just search the Anaconda from the search window. Search the Anaconda. So we can see here it's visible. Yes, so it's initializing. Click OK. So just wait for some time, okay, because this process will take time. Once you started the initialization, it will take little time here. So don't be impatient. Yeah, it's done. Close all the windows. Close this and then search for the Jupyter. Launch it. Okay, so once it is done, click on that launch. Yeah, the window is open. Now this is the page, okay, home page of that Jupyter notebook. Now you go to the new and select this file. Yeah, new file. Yes, so let's see the functionality of this file. So let's type it here, 1 plus 1 and run it. So it's absolutely working fine. Okay, so we can save this also by changing the name. So let's mention it, any name, fine, and then save it. So you can see that the same file name has been opened. So you can close this untitled file, okay, and this will be saved in the home page also, right? So just refresh it. Right now it's not visible, so we have to refresh it. Okay, so from the right side you can see the icon. Yeah, it's visible. So just refresh and the Toolspack Academy name is visible here, right? So this is the file name. Okay, so every time you have to open the home page and open the new file for executing the course. You can download it also. And if you want to search this Jupyter notebook, you have to go to the search bar. Okay, search your search bar and then open the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so just click on it once again. Open this Jupyter notebook is visible. See, just click on it and you have to keep this command prompt open. You will not close it. Okay, minimize that command prompt, otherwise it will stop working. So now the file is ready. You can use this file for writing your codes. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you so much.